We're back today with another video. I think today I'm just gonna go down and fish this little creek down here. It's super fun, just lots of tiny little microfish down here, just little creek chubs, and hopefully maybe get some bluegill or sunfish. That'd be pretty cool. Caught some of them down here before, but yeah, just have this really tiny reel today. I think I just got it at Bass Pro Shops. It's just super small, not as tiny as a ice fishing rod, but still pretty tiny. I'm just going to be using this little grub on a very tiny hook today. It's going to be kind of hard to cast, but just kind of got to sling it. Hopefully catch some little fish. But let's get right to it. And thank you guys so much for watching. This is a spot right here. I already see a ton of nice big, there's some big ones. Hopefully get one of those bigger guys. Oh, I'm already on. Oh no, he got off. Oh my God, there's a monster one back there. There we go, we got one. Not that big, but he's a good little creek chub. Man, something stinks down here. I don't know what that is. It smells bad though. Something's bad, but little creek chub right there. Let's go. Let this guy go. There it goes. All right, we gotta get some more. We gotta get that big one. That dude was massive. Ooh, that was a pretty good cast. We got one. We're on. This dude's pretty good size, a lot bigger than the last one. I saw a pretty big school of them down there, and I was like, you know what? These guys, these creek chubs, as I just drop them, are really, really good for catfish bait and any other largemouth. Even if you're fishing like a pretty big river or some of the other ponds and you just want to throw one of these guys out on a hook, catfish, I know, love the, there he goes, catfish love the creek chubs, and I know probably bass do too. Oh, there we go, we're on. Oh, it's a nice one, dude. Good fighter, there we go. Fighter, as he just tugs it a little bit, and then there you go. It's really easy to get the hooks out of these guys. They don't have any teeth, nothing. Nice little creek chub right there. Man, like, you wouldn't think it's that fun catching these like tinier fish. There he goes. But you know, out here, it's nice. Ooh. Let's go. This is a good fish. Oh, yes, sunfish. Yes. Let's go. I saw him attack that thing. I think this is a bluegill. Oh, look how pretty that is. Little bluegill. The colors are just so nice on this fish. Not that big, but wow, that is awesome. Super pretty fish, man. Little teeth in there, but little guy right there. Let him go. There he goes. He darts off. Yeah, I think there's a couple bluegill in here for sure. You can tell they look a little fatter than the creek chubs from above, but yeah, they're nice. But let's go, that's so fun. Guys, I think I'm gonna walk up the creek and just try and do some little pool fishing. Other small little micro places. Look at all these little minnows right there, oh my gosh. But yeah, so let's go up this creek, see if we can find any more pools. I think I used that, fished that spot a bunch. So I'll come back to it in a bit, but it's a good spot down there. But yeah, let's just get up this creek and see if we can find any other good spots. Oh my, I think I'm just gonna try and get over all this brush. Yeah, this looks nice up here. It's kind of hard to get to though. Ooh, it's a little stale. It's all good though. I do see some pretty good minnows in here. Oh yeah, nice, some nice minnows. All right, let's try this out. Huge trees, sycamore trees, just completely fell over right here. It's crazy. Yeah, just try and not get caught on this tree right here. Man, so many little creek chubs are trying to go for this. Oh my gosh, it's literally like a feeding frenzy. I got one. Woo, let's go. New spot. Got a little creek chub, let's go. Little guy, let him go. That is sweet. There's like a waterfall over there. Nice, pretty good sized pool right here. You do not want this. It's sweet. There we go, we got one. I think the trick is you just gotta let them eat it like for real long. There we go, nice little creek chub. Ooh, there he goes. Nice. This is one of the bigger ones back there. Nice little creek chub. Woo! Good, let him go. All right, let's go back. We'll go back to the OG spot now and see if we can get any more there. All right, guys. I think that's where I'm gonna end the video today. Just coming back, but yeah, today's video is so much fun to make. I love doing these like little creeks and everything around here. It's so much fun just to fish these with using tiny baits and tiny lures and just little things like that. It's actually really fun on these smaller rods, and it's great. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and comment down below any suggestions, any feedback, anything you guys want, I'm willing to do. I just ordered some fly fishing equipment in the mail, so it should be coming very soon, and I'm going to be doing some fly fishing videos. I think I'd really like to get into that, just around local rivers and different ponds maybe, and just I think that'd be lots of fun. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching this video. If you like the content that I have or like these videos, just check out my other videos on my channel down below. Thank you guys so much for everything. We're almost at 200 subscribers. I will see you guys next time.